Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add or to show the percentage off on your commerce sell products. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to have this plugin, which is the snippets plugin. After that, you will need, and to do that, you will need to go to plugins, and from there, you will need just to click on add new plugin and search for code snippets. You can just type snippets, and from there you will find this code snippets plugin. Then you will need to activate the plugin. So after that, we will need to go to add new snippets, and we will need just to create a new snippet. So let's just name it a percentage, and after that you will need to paste this code here. So as you can see now, this code would just have the percentage off from the WooCommerce or from the product price. So basically now the percentage that we have chosen is 25%. And if you want to have more or to have less, you will need just to change this value here. After that, it will do this processing, and then it will just refactor or edit the value in your store. So now all you need to do, we need just to choose only run on-site frontend, so it will just change the UI, and after that we will need just to save and change and activate. So now we will need just to refresh, and then you will need, and you are supposed to find that your snippets or all your prices have been modified and changed. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.